ang gagaling sumayaw, nagagandahang costume, at talagang pagiging creative and malikhain ng bawat eskwela at bawat estudyante natin, mararamdaman mo talaga na talagang kaloob nila. They give out everything, the best that they have. Pinakikita at sino-showcase nila sa atin. Kasama rin po natin ngayong hapong ito ang ating mga kaisa-team line-up. Councilor Tonton Torres, Councilor Richard Espinosa, Councilor Janice Ann De Los Reyes. Gusto po ba niyong malaman kung ano po ang mga prizes natin for this year? Parang mahina. Dear teachers and principals, I'm sure matutuwa kayo because this year is an improvement of the prices we had for last year. Medyo may increase po tayo for our school children. And to all the 11 elementary participating schools and the 6 high school na nagpa-participate, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras at panahon. Ang mga prizes po natin, 5th place will get 30,000 pesos for the elementary division. 5th place pa lang po ito, 30,000. 4th place will get 40,000. 3rd place, 50,000. 2nd place, 60,000. And 1st place will get 70,000 pesos. Nagkaroon po tayo ng increase of 10,000 compared to last year. And for our high school division, 3rd place, from 40,000, ginawa na po natin 60,000 pesos. 2nd place, from 60, na magiging 70,000 na po. And from 70,000, our 1st place will receive 80,000 cash prize. Pero walang uuwing luhaan. May consolation tayo dun sa 9 schools na hindi mapipili na winners. Each schools will be receiving 50,000 each. Kaya everybody will go home as winners. Walang uuwing luhaan. And of course, yung ating Queen of Pana-Pana Festival for the elementary division, from 5,000, she will be receiving 10,000 pesos. High school division, from 5,000, she will be receiving 15,000 pesos. For costume subsidy, each school po, 17 schools, tumanggap po ng 30,000 subsidy for the costumes and props na kinailangan po ng ating mga anak. And hindi pa po yan. Mamimili ng dalawang Queen of Pana-Pana for the elementary and high school division. For our elementary and high school division, the Queen will receive 3,000 gift check for each Queen from Jollibee. 1 gift pack each Queen from Black Beauty Shampoo. 2,500 cash and gift pack from Unisoft and Angel's Pizza. And for all participants, bawat isa po may gift pack from Unisoft. And here is the good news. Sa lahat po ng nagko-compete sa high school department, meaning pwede ang senior or those who will be chosen from the junior high, basta high school division, mamimili po tayo ng 30 participants. So, pwede yung entire team na magka-champion. We need 30 participants na padadala po natin sa Thailand International Folklore Festival where they will be competing from April 14 to April 19. Sponsor po lahat ng City Government of Thailand. And of course, ang mamumuno po dito ay walang iba kung hindi ang ating napakagaling, one of the masasabi na natin haligi pagdating sa mga international dance competition, Professor Marcelino Balangkin. Kaya this is